All right, what's up, Mystic Elementary? This week we're going to be wrapping up our basketball unit. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about shooting. So, first, some of the materials you're going to need are going to be 6 sock balls, right? So at home, you can use just rolled up socks. Here I'm using yarn balls, so pretend these are rolled up socks. You're going to need 6 of them. And you're also going to need some sort of target or basket to shoot in. I'm using an egg crate. At home, you can use a laundry basket, a box, or anything like that. All right, so what we're gonna be working on again, like I said, is our jump shot. Okay, so one word that we use to remember our jump shot is beef, right? You heard me right, beef, like the type of stuff you put on a hamburger or the type of meat you eat. So if that helps you remember it, right? Think of hamburger when you're thinking about your basketball shooting, then you can think of that. Okay, so beef, all right, stands for 4 different words. All right, the B stands for balance. All right, and you want to balance the ball, right? In this case, we're using a sock ball on your shooting hand. So your shooting hand is going to be your favorite hand. That's the hand that you write with, brush your teeth with, comb your hair with. Your favorite hand that you do everything with. Okay, so for me, that's my right hand. All right, so you want to have the ball balanced on your hand. Okay, and you'll kind of see that in a second. Next one is you want the E, right? You want to have your elbow nice and high, okay? So what that'll look like is this, right? I have the ball balanced on my hand. I have my elbow nice and high. Next one is we want your eye on the target, all right? So right now I'm showing you, so my target would be the camera straight ahead. So I'm looking straight ahead at the camera. My elbow's high. The ball is balanced, okay? And the last one is going to be follow through, right? So I want to add in a jump also. That's not part of it, but I want to jump, right? As I'm in the air, I'm going to extend my arm, follow through, and I want to finish with my hand in the cookie jar, right? Like I'm reaching on the top shelf for that cookie, okay? So again, balance the ball in my shooting hand, elbow high, eye on the target, and then the last one is I'm going to jump and follow through, all right? Extend my arm out and release that ball. All right, so the game we're going to be playing today, first before we get to our game, I want you to kind of practice a little bit so you can spread out the 6 sock balls kind of anywhere you want around your target. If you want to put them real close, you can. If you want to put them a little further away, you can. All right, so I'm going to leave that up to you. You can challenge yourself however easy or hard you want to. All right, so first thing, you're just going to spread out the balls a little bit, just randomly, like I said, for some far away, some close, all far away, all close. It's up to you. All right. And you're just going to practice a few of your jump shots before we get into our game, okay? So I want you to take at least 12 practice shots, all right? So that'll be 2 rounds of the 6 socks, all right? So I'm going to start right here, all right? And my target is my egg crate over here, and I'm just going to practice all my shots. Take your time, do everything right. Make sure you go through all the steps, okay? So I have ball balance, right? Eye on the target, elbow high, and I'm going to follow through. If you miss, no big deal. You just move to the next spot. So here I'm a little closer, right? I can still do all the steps. All right, and I'm just going to move around and get to my different spots. Okay? So, what I would do is I would take these out and I would spread them out. So if I was having trouble, maybe next time I want to move them a little closer. If I'm feeling confident, I can move them a little further away. Okay? All right, so you would do that again, right? 6 total practice shots. After you have your 6 practice shots, you're going to spread the balls out again randomly, okay? Some close, some far. It's up to you. All right? Now what we're going to do, we're going to have someone time us. We're going to use a minute, okay? I'll actually put a minute timer in my slideshow in case you want to use that instead, all right? And you're going to have a minute to make as many shots as you can. But there's a catch. If you miss the shot, you have to do 1 burpee before you move on to the next ball, okay? So you have 6 shots, all right? If you do all 6 shots in a minute or before the minute's up, then you can reset them quickly, and you're trying to get your highest score. Okay, so what it would look like is this. Clock would start. I go to one of the balls, right? I'm going to practice everything just like we talked about. I made it, so I don't have to do a jump shot, right? And then I'm just gonna move to any other one over here, pick it up, get set, and I missed, so I have to do a burpee. And move on to the next one, okay? So I go here, oh, I missed again. Another burpee, move on to the next one. Made it, so I don't have to do anything. Missed, so I have to do burpee. And I missed again, so I have to do burpee. All right, now, let's say time ran out. Minute is up. I go to my box. And I see how many I made, so my score was 2. Okay? So, again, what we're doing, working on our jump shot, which is, again, to help us remember, B.E.F, balance, elbow high, eye on the target, follow through with that hand in the cookie jar last. All right? I want you to take 12 practice shots from spots of your choosing, okay? And then after you do your practice shots, I want you to do your minute to win it challenge, okay? So you're gonna spread those balls out again, anywhere you'd like, all right? And you're gonna see how many shots you can make in a minute. Again, remember, if you miss, you owe me 1 burpee before you move on to the next spot, okay? You're gonna submit your scores in the Seesaw worksheet, and that should be pretty much it. Good luck. Like always, try your best and have fun. I'll talk to you guys all next week.